What's good, crypto warriors? We're cracking open the XRP USDT vault on Binance right now, November 20th, 2025 edition, fresh off the presses at 11:30 a.m. ET. XRP, the undisputed king of cross-border payments, that beast that's been battling the SEC like a champ, and now eyeing those sweet ETF inflows. Yeah, this frog, wait, no, this ledger legend is flexing hard. If you dipped out during the drama, buckle up, this chart's whispering redemption arc, louder than a Super Bowl halftime show. We're keeping it real, no fluff, just the pulse-pounding truth on why XRP is about to make your portfolio sing. Let's roll. Zoom into this 24-hour thriller from yesterday's 2:30 a.m. ET kickoff to now. Those candlesticks are a full-on wrestling match, slamming from a 24-hour high of $2.1498 down to a gritty low of $2.0244 and clawing back to $2.1103 as we speak. That's a minus 1.8% dip on the day. But don't sleep. Volumes roaring at 246.34 million XRP flipped for over 515 million USDT. That's institutions and whales dipping toes while retail FOMO's in. It's like XRP's that comeback kid in the playoffs took a hit, but the crowd's chanting and the energy's electric. Broader market jitters from Fed rate whispers, and that post-election dust settling. Sure, but XRP's decoupled, holding the line like it's got Ripple's legal wins tattooed on its soul. Those EMAs are your roadmap to riches here. The 7 periods locked at $2.1203, 25 at $2.1234, all trending down but flattening like they're catching their breath. Prices dancing right on that 50 period at $2.1385, teasing a golden cross if it punches through. We've seen this movie before, folks, and it ends with 20 to 40% green screens. Bollinger Bands, squeezed tighter than a New York minute, with price hugging the lower band at $2.0719. Volatility bomb incoming. Mark my words, this setup's got that classic buy the fear vibe, especially with the fear and greed index scraping 15 in extreme fear territory. American traders, think about it. While BTC chills at 95K, XRP's primed to surf the alt wave, fueled by those Canary Capital ETF filings, dropping any day now. Slide down to MACD. The DIF at minus 0.0028, crossing the DEA at minus 0.0039. With that histogram flipping from red despair to orange hope bars. It's screaming divergence, like the bears are gassed and bulls are reloading. Volume bars underneath, blue spikes on the pullbacks, orange surges on the rebounds, smart money stacking while panic sellers bail. RSI clocking 36.53, straight up oversold gold, climbing from the abyss like it's got unfinished business. Add in the SAR dots flipping bullish and AVL volume averages lighting up. This ain't random noise. It's the symphony of a reversal brewing. XRP's not just surviving, it's evolving, with on-chain metrics showing whale wallets ballooning 900 million tokens in the last month alone. Real talk in this Thanksgiving week grind. When families talking turkey, you're the one at the table whispering about XRP's payment revolution flipping Visa the bird. All right, the tea everyone's thirsty for. What's XRP cooking for the short fuse? Next week into December, I'm calling a solid rebound to $2.28. $2.35 if it defends that $2.10 support like a fortress. That's a quick 8 to 10% juice. Ideal for day traders flipping between turkey leftovers and limit orders. But watch the traps. Bears could drag it to $2 or even $1.91 if ETF delays hit the wires or BTC sneezes. By end of November, charts and algos are vibing $2.60, $2.90, with a breakout above $2.75, unlocking that $3.05 dream. Pure ETF-fueled fire if approvals land. Longer play into Q1 2026. Hold above $2.55, and we're blasting to $3.50. $4.50, a 70% moonshot on institutional cash floods and global remittance booms. Downside hedge, $1.80 floor if it cracks. But that's by-the-blood territory for the bold. This is high-octane speculation. Crew DYOR, size your bags right. And remember, XRP's not gambling. It's the bridge to tomorrow's finance.